Arrive in style with this 2010 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500 LTZ. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are memory seat, XM nav traffic, power windows, auto-dimming door mirrors, fully automatic headlights, front anti-roll bar, security system, and steering wheel mounted audio controls. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.